The purpose of that a two-phase explanatory sequential design will apply in this study is that the researcher will employ qualitative data to help clarify or build upon initial quantitative result. The rationale that the explanatory design is well suited, the researcher needs qualitative data to explain either significant or non-significant result, surprising result, or outlier result. The intent of integration in an explanatory design is the complementary qualitative phrase would present a strong justification of findings from the primary initial quantitative phrase. So, a mixed method approach using multiple data collection modes is in one study provides an opportunity to maximize strength and compensate for each mode limitations at affordable cost. And lastly, the pragmatic paradigm also assumed value latent axiology, which manipulating the research that leads to benefit for pupils. It is declared that make some difference in some things and linking abstract problems lying on the epistemology level in the case of the methodological level. For example, this study will aim to determine the level of pupils' perceptions of play skill, interest based on 4C skills, difference, relationship, influence, as well as experience towards play-based learning. The findings of this study will contribute to the evidence base of primary school-age children classroom environment. The lack of exploration research on the play-based learning approach, particularly in this phrase, could be a reference and recommend the benefits of play-based teaching and learning approach for graduate students, researchers, teachers, parents, practitioners, school management, and educations in academia, as well as contribute information for school administration or school management. So, as a conclusion, the researcher in the present study chooses the suitable pragmatic paradigm and focus on the legitimizations of the operationalizations in the chosen paradigms. Last but not least, I would like to provide my research questions as mentioned before that. There are 6 research questions in my mixed mood proposal. The number 1 to 5 is mainly focused on the quantitative methods designed, which using 2 instruments. The first one is self-report play skills questionnaire, and the second one is student interest towards learning activities based on 4C skills. Lastly, the second phase of quantitative design is using semi-structural interview. I hope my presentation will let you understand about my research paradigm in the current proposal. And lastly, thank you very much